I recently received a wonderful 2-box donation of vintage and antique, mostly wedding-related items. This is part of what was in box number 2. The person who donated it used to host vintage wedding fashion shows, and she also was a collector. And due to various things going on in her life, she wanted to donate some of these things to me in hopes that I could find new homes for them. And she saw me as a kindred spirit for my love of the vintage and antique fashions. She has stories along with these items. This one here and the next one that you'll see belonged, and they are absolutely tiny, belonged to 2 Italian sisters born in Sicily, Italy. Their parents died when they were young, and they were then raised by nuns in a convent, was where the one daughter learned to sew. And she believes that both of these dresses were made by that daughter. They both left Italy to go to America, as 2 male cousins, had already made their way to America and sent away for them to become their brides. Sadly, both of the women died quite young. One died in childbirth, and the other died from flu in 1918. And both dresses are beautiful examples of 1890s bridal fashions. This next one here isn't technically a wedding dress. It is a dress that was worn for a high school graduation in Detroit, Michigan in the early 1910s. I am hoping to get it fixed up, and actually it's in progress right now, to be able to have it so that maybe somebody could wear it for a wedding, because I think it is worthy of that. The dress was found in an attic and then forgotten for many years until it was rediscovered again when insulation was being done in the home. And a daughter tried on the dress, and that's how the bottom got so torn. So that's going to be quite a bit of work to fix that up, but I am looking forward to restoring that. In addition to the dresses were several wonderful vintage and antique headpieces. I love how different each one of these is, and that is, to me, a really fun part of bridal fashion history. There's just so many unique styles and shapes and materials used over the decades for vintage bridal headpieces. I'm so appreciative and honored for this donation. I will do my best to get these things out to new homes, cleaning when I can, or repairing what I can. And I'm, again, grateful for this, and I thank you for watching.